Rock. Types of rocks: metamorphic rock, igneous rock, sedimentary rock, reservoir rock, source rock. Metamorphic rocks make up a large part of the Earth's crust and form 12% of the Earth's land surface. The lower continental crust is mostly metamorphic rock and pellite, which have reached the granulite phases. The middle continental crust is dominated by metamorphic rock that has reached the amphipolite phases. Within the upper crust, which is the only part of the Earth's crust, geologists can directly sample metamorphic rock forms only from processes that can occur at shallow depth. This rock is found at the surface only where extensive uplift and erosion has exhumed rock that was formerly much deeper in the crust. Igneous rock or magmatic rock is one of the three main rock types, the others being sedimentary and metamorphic. Igneous rocks are formed through the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. Igneous rock may form with crystallization to form granular, crystalline rocks or without crystallization to form natural glasses. Igneous rocks occur in a wide range of geological settings: shields, platforms, orogens, basins, large igneous provinces, extended crust, and oceanic crust. Igneous and metamorphic rocks make up 90 to 95% of the top 16 kilometers of the Earth's crust by volume. Igneous rocks form about 15% of the Earth's current land surface. Most of the Earth's oceanic crust is made up of igneous rock. Igneous rocks can be either intrusive or extrusive. Sedimentary rocks are one of three main types of rocks, along with igneous and metamorphic. They are formed on or near the Earth's surface from the compression of ocean sediments or other processes. Sedimentary rocks are formed on or near the Earth's surface, in contrast to metamorphic and igneous rocks, which are formed deep within the Earth. The most important geological processes that lead to the creation of sedimentary rocks are erosion, weathering, dissolution, and lithification. Sedimentary rocks can be organized into two categories. The first is detrital rock, which comes from the erosion and accumulation of rock fragments, sediment, or other materials, categorized in total as detritus or debris. The other is chemical rock, produced from the dissolution and precipitation of minerals. Chemical sedimentary rocks can be found in many places, from the ocean to deserts to caves. For instance, most limestone forms at the bottom of the ocean from the precipitation of calcium carbonate and the remains of marine animals with the shells. If limestone is found on land, it can be assumed that the area used to be underwater. Cave formations are also sedimentary rocks, but they are produced very differently. Reservoir rocks. A petroleum reservoir or oil and gas reservoir is a subsurface accumulation of hydrocarbons contained in porous or fractured rock formations. Production. To obtain the contents of the oil reservoir, it is usually necessary to drill into the Earth's crust. Although surface oil seeps exist in some parts of the world, such as the Labrador pits in California and numerous seeps in Trinidad. Modern production includes thermal, gas injection, and chemical methods of extraction to enhance oil recovery. Formation. Crude oil is found in all oil reservoirs formed in the Earth's crust from the remains of once living things. Evidence indicates that millions of years of heat and pressure changed the remains of microscopic plants and animals into oil and natural gas. Source rock. In petroleum geology, source rock is a rock which has generated hydrocarbons or which could generate hydrocarbons. Source rocks are one of the necessary elements of a working petroleum system. They are organic rich sediments. Source rocks are classified from the types of corrosion that they contain. which in turn governs the type of hydrocarbons that will be generated. Type 1, source rocks are formed from algal. Type 2, source rocks are formed from marine planktonic and bacterial remains preserved under anoxic conditions in marine environments. Type 3, source rocks are formed from terrestrial plant material that has been decomposed by bacteria and fungi under oxic or suboxic conditions.